second, this bookstore's website has some promotion. Let me have a look. The online advertisement says this book is on promotion. It's only 70 ringgit. That's actually cheaper than other bookstores.
Good evening, Miss. Welcome to the Vroom Bookstore. Do you have a membership?
No, sorry.
Your item total is 75 ringgit only.
Wait, what? But online advertisement, this book is on promotion. It's supposed to be only 70 ringgit. And the shop also has the label of this book for only 70 ringgit.
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss. In this system, the actual price is 75 ringgit. Maybe the system was not updated yet.
But that's not fair for me. As a consumer, I actually rely on the display prices before buying something.
I understand, Miss, but I can only follow the system.
That's misleading. If the shelf says 70 ringgit and the online advertisements also say 70 ringgit, then I should only be charged for 70 ringgit.
I'm sorry about that. Would you like me to call the manager?
Yes, as you should. Wait for a second, yeah?
Hello, manager. Could you come here for a second?
Good evening, Miss. I'm Aizat. I'm the manager here. Could we please step aside to discuss the issue here?
Well, I have a problem here. Your shelf label and your online advertisement says that book is only 70 ringgit. But your cashier charged me 75 ringgit.
Yes, I sincerely apologize. It may be caused by technical issue or maybe even a human error by our cashier.
No, that's not an acceptable excuse. Business have responsibilities toward consumers.
Yes, I sincerely apologize, but I hope you can find understanding because it's only a mere 5 ringgit difference.
No, sir. The issue is not about the 5 ringgit. The issue is about consumer trust, consumer rights. How many customers have been charged incorrectly without realizing it? Consumers deserve accurate pricing before they making purchasing decisions.
I understand your concern, Miss, but please understand us, the business.
I'll be filing a complaint. I will collect every evidence and submit the report. You just wait and see. Assalamualaikum. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss. Welcome to KPDN. How may we assist you today?
I would like to make a complaint against a bookstore. The display price was not consistent with the sale price. I felt like I was cheated.
Alright, could you explain to me what happened from the beginning?
Well, I saw an online promotion for a book priced at 70 ringgit. When I went to the bookstore, the shelf label also showed promotion 70 ringgit. So I decided to buy it. But when the cashier scanned the product, the system showed 75 ringgit instead. I questioned it, but the cashier said maybe they forgot to update the label.
Did the bookstore agree to sell it at the displayed price?
No, the manager apologized and said it was probably a technical or human error. He also said the difference was 5 ringgit.
I understand why you are upset. Consumers usually rely on display prices before deciding to purchase something.
Exactly. It's not really about the 5 ringgit. It's about fairness.
You did a very good job by taking photograph as evidence. Let me call my senior officers because she usually handle cases involving these pricing issues and also consumer rights. Meanwhile, let me bring you to our investigation room.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, let's go, Miss.
Please have a seat. Good morning, Miss. I'm Officer Mira. My colleague briefed me about your complaint. Could I have a look at the evidence? Sure. Here are the photos of the shelf label and online advertisement showing 70 ringgit for the books, while the cashier screen showing 75 ringgit. May I have your complaint, please? Thank you. Based on what you described, this situation may involve misleading pricing practices under Malaysian Consumer Protection Law. Misleading pricing? What does that mean exactly? Simply put, businesses cannot display one price but charge another price at the cashier if it misleads consumers. The law requires businesses to provide accurate price information so consumers can make informed decisions. So, even if it was a mistake, it can still be wrong under the law? Yes, under the Consumer Protection Act 1999, a business may commit an offence if it gives consumer misleading information about the price of goods. If the display price becomes inaccurate, the business must take reasonable steps to correct it quickly.
Well, in your case, the shelf label still showed that it was 70 ringgit, so consumers would naturally expect to pay that amount.
The manager kept saying it was just 5 ringgit. The amount is not the main issue. What matters is whether consumers were misled. Even a small difference can still create unfair trading practices.
There is also another law called the Trade Descriptions Act 2011. It literally prohibits businesses from giving false or misleading indications that goods are being sold at a lower price than they actually are.
So, the bookstore could actually get into trouble for this? Potentially, yes. KPDN may investigate the matter further. If there is enough evidence, enforcement action can be taken against the bookstore. Is there anything else that I could do besides filing this complaint? Yes, you may also bring a claim before the Tribunal for Consumer Claims Malaysia if you suffer loss or inconvenience as a consumer.
And the tribunal process is usually simpler and also cheaper compared to going to court.
I understand now. Actually, I just want business to be more careful and honest toward the customers. That is exactly why consumer protection laws exist. They ensure businesses act fairly and responsibly towards consumers.
And we will try to register your complaint today and contact you if we need any more further informations.
I understand now. I just want businesses to be more honest and fair toward the customer.
Yes, exactly, Ms. Ryan.
Thank you.
Raihan leaves the KPDN office feeling reassured that consumers have legal protection against misleading pricing practices and that businesses may be held accountable under Malaysian law.